Good morning, my students. In the last session, we discussed about the inverse of a matrix by elementary operations or elementary transformations. So we can conduct row operations or column operations to find the inverse of a matrix. That also a unique matrix. The whatever the inverse exists for the inverse of a matrix exists for the given matrix, that is unique. Okay. For 3 marks question, we are going to get a one problem, that is find the inverse of the matrix by elementary transformations or elementary operations. Either it may be by row operations or it may be column operations. Either one of the operation you can perform and find the inverse of the given matrix. Okay. So for 3 marks, I will going to solve the repeated questions which were appeared in the last years, last previous examination in the annual and as well as the supplementary examination. I have written one problem here. Find the inverse of the matrix by elementary transformation. That is matrix A equals to 1 minus 2 2 1. 2 by 2 matrix. It appeared in the year March 2014. Okay. So how to find this one? First write the A equals to I into A. So to find the inverse of the matrix by the elementary transformation, we need to write an expression in a two form. A equal to I into A or A equals to A into I. So product of the identity matrix with the any matrix is the given matrix itself. So A equal to I into A, nothing but A equal to A. So A equal to IA, when you are going to write, when you are performing the row operations, and A equal to AI is written when you have to perform column operations. Okay. So I will solve or I will find the inverse of this given matrix A by applying the row operations. So A equal to IA. So what is the matrix A? Given thing, that is 1 minus 2 2 1 is equals to I is identity matrix of what order? Of the same of the given matrix A, that is 1 0 0 1 into A. Don't write the matrix here, just write A as it is. Don't write the matrix here. Okay. So now what is the motto or what is the thing you have to perform here, that A equal to IA is in this form. Okay, expression. So you have to convert this LHS part, that is LHS side A is there, no matrix A. If this matrix have to convert into the identity matrix. So to obtain the matrix I, that is identity matrix, you have to perform row operations. So what you will do here, applying the row operations, R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. What is this thing, your students? You have to convert this LHS part A as the identity matrix. So first I will convert the row 2 elements, that is the second row elements. So it should be 0 here, it should be 1 here. So what I will do here, R2 changes to R2 minus 2 R1. The same operation should be applied on this RHS part of the matrix also. So what is the thing here, students? R1 is nothing changes, 1 minus 2. So R2, what is R2? 2. 2 minus 2 into what is R1? First element, that is 1. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this element is 0 here, students. Next, 1 is there, 1 minus 2 into what is the R1 element? That is minus 2. So write minus 2 equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. So you will get the 5 here, students. So that is equal to, Here also first row nothing changes. The second row, what is the second row first element? 0. One second. Okay, 0 minus 2 into R1. What is the R1 element? 1. So we will get the minus 2. This element is minus 2. Next, first one 1 minus 2 into R1. R1 is 0. So we will get the 1 here. So it is 1. Okay. So next, what you have to perform? So already 1 minus 2 is there. So you have to convert in next step. 0 is there. Okay. Here 5 is there. So how to convert this 5 as the 1? So let us apply the another operation. R2 changes to 1 by 5 into R2. Just I am multiplying 1 by 5 with each element of the second row. Okay. So see here students. So first row nothing changes. 1 minus 2. R2, the element of the R2 changes to 1 by 5 into R2. So 0 into anything is 0 itself. So 1 by 5 into 5. 1 by 5 into 5. 5 get cancelled. You will get the 1 here. Okay. So equals to. So first row nothing changes. In the RHS part 1 0. The second row 1 by 5 into R2. 1 by 5 into minus 2. That is minus 2 by 5. Next 1 into 1 by 5. That is 1 by 5 into A. So the second row of the LHS part becomes 0 and 1. So next we have to concentrate on the first row of the LHS part of the matrix. So already it is 1 is there, it is minus 2 there. So you have to eliminate the minus 2 and you have to convert it into a 0. So observe the thing here students, what will apply here? R1 changes to R1 plus 2R2. Okay. So what is the thing here students? 1. R1 is 1 plus first row element 1 plus 2 into R2 element, that is 0. So 1 plus 0, that is 1 itself. So 1 first row first element. Next first row second element is minus 2 plus 2 constant as it is. R2 element is 1. So plus 2 minus 2, that is 0. So first row elements becomes 1 0 and second row already is 0 and 1, that equals to. Okay, the first row element of the RHS part of the matrix 1 0 is there. So R1 changes to R1 plus 2R2. So 1 plus 2 into minus 2 by 5. So 5 into 1 5, 5 minus 4, that is 5 minus 4 by 5, that is 1 by 5. The first element is 1 by 5. Next 0 plus 2 into R2, that is 1 by 5. So we will get the 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So remaining minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into the matrix A. Okay, just observe the thing here students. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. So it is the identity matrix. So if you transfer this A this side, you will get, therefore A inverse equals to the 2 by 2 matrix 1 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. This is the inverse of the given matrix A. Okay, just observe the steps and note it down students. Very important concept and very important repeated problems these are. Okay. The next problem is students, A equals to 1 minus 1, 2, 3. It repeated further twice, that is March 2016 and September 2020 supplementary examination. Okay. So in last problem I perform the row operation and find the inverse of the matrix. So here I will conduct column operations, that is A equal to A into I. A equals to A into I. So what is A here, students? That is given thing 1 minus 1 2 3 is equals to, write A as it is, don't write the matrix for. So I is 1 0 0 1. So here whenever you write A equal to AI, you should conduct the column operations. If A equal to I into A, you should conduct the row operations. Okay. So here column operations, students, what you will do here, first convert the C2. C2 changes to C2 plus C1. So see here, students, the first column elements is as it is 1 2. So what is C2? C2 plus C1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, and 3 plus 2, that is 5, equals to A into the first row element, first column element is as it is 1 0, and C2 plus C1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, already the first row elements are 1 0. Now what you have to do, you have to convert the next row value, that is 2 5 1 0. So what we'll do here, students, C1 changes to, okay, already it's the C1, C2 changes to C2 plus C1. So C1 changes to C1 minus, okay, see here, students, C1 changes to C1 minus 2 by 5 C2. I will write C1 changes to C1 minus 2 by C2. Okay. So see here, students, it is okay. C1. What is the C1 value? First value 1 minus 2 by 5. So C2, that is 0. C2 value, that is 0. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. The first column, first value is 1. Next it is 2. First column, second element is 2. 2 minus 2 by 5. Next C2. C2 value is 5. So it is 5. So 5 get cancelled. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So it is 0. So the first column got reduced. So again remaining elements are 0, 5. So that equals to the elements of this matrix 1 1 0 1. Okay. So next. So what is the next thing here, students? You have to convert this 5 as a 1. So what you will do here, students? C2 changes to 1 by 5 C2. C2 changes to 1 by 5 C2. So the first column is 1 0. 1 by 5 into 0, it is 0. 1 by 5 into 5, it is 1. So A equals to into the matrix, the 1 0, first column element. 1 by 5 into 1, that is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 1, that is 1 by 5. So 1 second, students. Okay. Here I have to convert. C2 changes to, okay, here I got wrong. C1 changed to, okay, sorry. 1, okay, here you have to change. 1 second, students. Sorry, students, I got confused a little bit. Sorry. Observe here, C2 changes to C2 plus C1. That is C2 value is minus 1 plus 1. That is 0. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 2 5. Okay. So next, A equal to 1 1 0 1. Got changed. Now what will apply? C1 changes to C1 minus 2 by 5 C2. So what is the C1 value? First value 1 minus 2 by 5. The C2 value is 0. So we will get the 1 here. Yes, I written here. Next 2. C1 2 minus 2 by 5 into C2, that is 5. 5 get cancelled. 2 minus 2 0. So it is 0. So first column got changed and the second column as it is 0, 5. So A into the first column value 1. 1 minus 2 by 5 C2, that is 1 here students. So 5 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. I written here as the second value of the first column, that is 0 minus 2 by 5 into 1. Okay, once again. Okay, C1 value is 0. Okay, 0 into 0 minus 2 by 5 into C2 value. What is C2 value? That is 1. So minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5. Okay. So next you have to convert this as the 1. So C2 changes to 1 by 5 C2. 1 by 5 C2. So what will get here students? 1, 0. So 0 into 1 by 5, 0. 1 by 5 into 5, that is 1 is equals to A into C1 value doesn't changes because we are applying for the C2. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, these are the C1 values. Next C2 changes to 1 by 5 into C2. So 1 by 5 into 1, that is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 1, that is 1 by 5. Therefore, so here LHS matrix converted as the identity matrix. So if you transfer A, so you will get the A inverse equals to 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. This is the required inverse of the given matrix A. Just write it down students. Okay, next problem students. It appeared in July 2016 as well as March 2018. Okay. So observe the solution here. A equal to IA. What is A here? A is 1, 3, 2, 7 equals to I is 1, 0, 0, 1 into the matrix A. So apply the certain operations here. That is applying the operations, that is R2 changes to R2 minus to R1. So what we get here? First row as it is 1, 3 R2, that is 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 2 is 0. 0. So R2 value 7 minus 2 into R1, 2 into 3, that is 1, 7 minus 6, 1, that equal to the R1 value as it is 1, 0 into A. So R2 values 0, 0, here this matrix is 0 minus 2 into R1, it is 1, that is minus 2, it is minus 2. Next 1 minus 2 into 0, that is 1, 2 minus 2 and 1. Okay. So next what we have to apply? Here we have to convert this as the 0. So I will do R1 changes to R1 minus R2. Okay, R1. Okay, R1 changes to 3 R2. R1 changes to R1 minus 3 R2. So what is the thing here students? 1, 3. So R1 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 into 0. So we will get the 1 here, first element. Next 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 0. So 1 0, 0 1 already is there. So the first row elements, this one 1 0 is there. The first element is 1 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 2 1 plus 6, that is 7. So we will get the 7 here students. So 7. Next 0 0 minus 3R2, that is 1. So we will get the minus 3. So 7 minus 3 and remaining element minus 2 1 into A. So observe the values here, students. Okay, so we already identity matrix obtained into the LHS part. So we get the A inverse equals to 7 minus 3 minus 2 1. This is the A inverse. Okay, this is the third problem actually. It is the third problem appeared for the twice in the 2016 supplementary examination and March 2018. Okay. Okay, next problem, students. A equals to 1 2 2 minus 1. July 2017 and March 2019 it appeared. So write the matrix A equals to I into A, that is 1 2 2 minus 1 equals to the identity matrix 1 0 0 1 to A. So what is the thing here, students? You have to convert matrix which is present in the LHS part as the identity matrix. Whatever the operations applying in the LHS part, you have to apply that same property or same operation on the matrix which lies in the RHS part. Okay, so I am applying here. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So first row element are as it is 1 2. I will write the first row element in both sides as it is. So I am applying the operation on the second row element. So R2 minus 2R1. So what is the first element of the 2? That is 2 minus 2 into R1 element is 1. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. So this element is 0 here. Next R2 minus 2R1. What is R2 here? Minus 1 minus 2 into this one, that is 2. So minus 1 minus 4, you get the minus 5. Okay, so minus 5 here. Okay, the same operation whatever you did in the LHS part, you have to apply the same thing for the identity matrix which is present in the RHS part. So what is the thing, that is R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. So R1 as it is written, so the R2. So 0 minus 2 into R1 value, that is 1. So we get the minus 2. First element is minus 2. And 1 minus 2 into this 0. So we get the 1 here. So 1 0 minus 2, 1 into the matrix A. So next we have to convert this as the 1. So what we will do here? R2 changes to R2 by minus 5. So already it is minus 5 is there. You have to get the positive, means you have to divide by the negative sign only. So minus 5 by minus 5, you get the 1. So R1 value nothing changes as it is 1 2 equals to the R1 value as it is 1 0 into A. So what is the R2? 0 by minus 5, that is 0. Minus 5 by minus 5, that is 1. Minus 2 by, so same operation. R2 changes to R2 by minus 5, you have to apply on the RHS for this matrix. So minus 2 by minus 5 means 2 by 5. 1 by minus 5 by means minus 1 by 5. Okay. So next thing is you have to convert the first row as the 1 into 0. So I will apply R1 changes to R1 minus 2R2. R1 changes to R1 minus 2R2. So what is the thing here, students? What is the R1 element? 1 minus 2 into what is R2? It is 0. So 1 minus 0, it is 1. Okay. Next 2 minus 2 into what is the R2? 1. So 2 minus 2, it is 0. So 1 0 0 1. So the LHS part matrix converted into identity. Next, the same operation you have to apply on the LHS part matrix converted into identity matrix. The same operation you have to apply on the RHS part of this matrix. So R1 changes to R1 minus 2R2. So what is R1 here? 1 minus 2 into R2 element, that is 2 by 5. So 5 minus 4, that is 1 by 5. So you get the 1 by 5 here, students. Next, 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5, we get the positive 2 by 5. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 into A. Into A. Okay? So you will get A inverse equals to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay? Okay, observe the next problem, students. It appeared in the July 2018. Okay? So A equal to I into A. So A is 3 minus 1 minus 4 2 1 0 0 1 into A. So how to convert this one? So apply R2 changes to R2 plus R2 plus which is R2 minus 4 okay. R2 changes to R2 plus 4 by 3 R1. Okay, see here R2. Okay, first row as it is 3 minus 1 equals to 1 0 to A. Okay, R2 change. What is R2? Minus 4, first element, plus 4 by 3. What is R1 first element? That is 3. So 3 get cancelled, plus 4 minus 4, that is 0. So you get the 0 here. Okay, next, second element of the R2, that is 2 plus 4 by 3. The R1 element is minus 1. So 3 into 2, 6 minus 4 divided by 3, that is 2 by 3. So you get the 2 by 3 here. The same operation you have to apply on the matrix which lies in the RHS form. So that is R2 first element 0 plus 4 by 3 into R1, that is 1. So we get the 4 by 3 here. Okay, so it is 4 by 3. Next, R2 element first and second element is 1 plus 4 by 3 into R1, that is 0. So we get the 1 plus 0, it is 1. Okay, so now which operation, next operation we have to conduct? Already it is 3 minus 1 0, 2 by 3 is there. So convert R2. Convert R2 changes to 3 by 2 into R2. 3 by 2 into R2. Why? 2 by 3 is there. So reciprocal of this one is R by 3 by 2. So 3 2 get cancelled, we get the 1. Okay. So observe here. 3 minus 1 0. 0 into this divided by into 3 by 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, that is 1. So the first row as it is this side 1 0 into A. Okay. The second row 4 by 3 R2 changes to 3 by 2 into R2. So 3 by 2 into R2 value is 4 by 3. So into 4 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So you get the 2 here. Next, 3 by 2 into the second element 1. So you get the 3 by 2. Okay. So next, what we have to do? Next, dividing. R1 changes to R1. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. So 3 plus 0, it is 3. Minus 1, so 3 into R2. 3 into R2. Okay. R1 3 plus 3 into 0, it is 3, it is as it is So minus 1 plus 3 into this one 1. So we get the minus 2. One second, students. Okay. Okay. R1 plus R2 only, not 3. Sorry. It is R1 plus R2 only. Okay. 3 plus 0. It is 3 minus 1 plus 1. It is 0. So 0, 1 is equals to R1 plus R2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 here, students. Okay. 0 plus 3 by 2, that is 3 by 2. 2, 3 by 2 into A. So now we have to convert the first row as the 1 into 1 and a 0. So see here, R1 changes to 1 by 3 into R1. So 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1, 0 into 1 by 3, 0. So 0, 1. So it converted as the identity matrix. So R1 changes to 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 2. So remaining 2 and 3 by 2 equal to A. It is already LHS part or LHS matrix converted as the identity matrix. So we have to write A inverse equals to 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. This is the inverse of the given matrix. Okay.